Students, now let us continue the concept women revolution. Just now I have spoken about women revolution. Some points we have discussed. Now the remaining points. The revolutionary government did introduce laws that helped improve the lives of women. It means revolutionary government brought some changes in the lives of women. What was that? What improvement was done or what were the reforms done? Let us see. By creation of state schools. School was made compulsory for all girls. Their fathers could no longer force them into marriage against their will. See, the first improvement is state schools were started. It means schooling was made compulsory for all the girls. Earlier, they were not having any access to education, but now they can go to school. And their fathers could no longer force them into marriage against their will. It means they can give their opinion. Without their will or against their will, no marriages will be arranged. That right was given to girl. Marriage was made into a contract entered into freely and registered under civil law. It means marriage was registered under law. Marriage registration office, how we have no, like that only they also introduced registration of marriage under civil law. Divorce was made legal and could be applied by both men and women. It means divorce is legal now. Earlier divorce was considered as illegal, but now it's legal. It's like a right given to both men as well as women. They can apply for it. That improvement it was introduced here. Women could now train for jobs, could become artists or run small business. And during see here one more thing, now they can train for jobs. It means now they are giving employment to others. They can train, they can become artists or they can run small business. So now self dependency, self reliance, women are very happy now. So for short time at least they enjoyed their life. But during the reign of terror, the new government issued laws ordering closure of women's clubs and banning their political activities. Students' reign of terror means it is Jacobin Club. Maximilian Robespierre, 1792 to 93. When he was ruling, it was called as a reign of terror. This Jacobin Club, what it did is, it closed all women's club and banned their political activities. So, many prominent women were arrested and number of them were executed. So finally in the year 1946 that women in France won the right to vote.